Friends, good morning. We are moving on to our One Life weekly newsletter, November 17th, 2020, to the next update, that is applications invited for deal checker country managers. Here we will elaborately discuss this topic. For which countries they are asking applications for new country managers, we'll see in this video. Applications are invited for deal checker country managers. Means all the countries are ready because they are all getting updates towards the crypto regulations, or we can call them it as Financial Service Commission Payments Act news, or we can call them as FATF recommendations or FATF standards to operate the global crypto exchanges. They should have KYC policy, ML policy, monetary policy. I think they are all aware of that. That's the reason why people are moving towards the cryptocurrencies which are having KYC policies, AML policies, monetary policies, not the dark coins or privacy coins which are not existing with a KYC policy or monetary policy or AML policy. They are not producing. So, okay, here the countries or Costa Rica, France, Paraguay, Uruguay. From these countries, if anybody is interested to become a deal checker country manager in their respective countries, they have to send their applications to the below email address. So that is admin@dealchecker.tech. It is the email to which you have to send your applications to become a deal checker country manager in your country. The listed countries are, I am repeating, Costa Rica, France, Paraguay, Uruguay. And report of November 6th meeting, Thailand. What happened on November 6th in Thailand, we'll see. They have conducted meetings towards some topics, the IGIL promotion and 10 IMAs and 10 million IMAs and 1 million merchants and the future of payment. And in the training session, what they have covered is how to reset password, how to do FA, how to do KYC. Most of the attendees were unable to reset their passwords and needed to send the request to the support. They are willing to pay the 30 euros to correct their profiles. In attendance were approximately 60 IMS. In that deal checker training session, approximately 60 independent marketing associates were attended for the deal checker and One Life 2.0 educational training. 10% were able to reset their password, 70% got the error message, could not determine active user, 20% got the error username cannot be confirmed. These are the errors what they have got while they are giving training for the IMES in their training session. Our mission was again completed successfully. We had great feedback and we are happy to see the smiles on the faces of attendees of the event. This is the deal checker and One Life training sessions completed in Thailand. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.